How to redeem Roblox gift card on iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The process for redeeming Roblox gift card is pretty much the same in all devices, no matter if you are using an iPhone or an iPad or a laptop. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.roblox.com. You will see this type of interface. Go ahead and tap on the Continue in Browser option and further sign yourself in to your Roblox account by entering your login credentials. Once logged in, you will be led to the official webpage of Roblox. Here, tap on the Roblox icon on the top right of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. Further, tap on the Redeem Roblox Code option. You will further be required to enter your code. So go ahead and scratch off the back of the physical card to reveal the PIN code or locate the code in the email if it's a digital card. Further, enter the code in the Enter PIN code field on the redemption page and then tap on the Redeem option. After redeeming, you will see a confirmation message. So, this is how you can redeem Roblox gift card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.